Hello students, welcome to Rishikul Online School. It is module 2 of the chapter Indigo by Louis Fisher. In this module, I am going to discuss the synopsis of the chapter. Now, the synopsis of the chapter. The incident which led Gandhi to urge the departure of the British from India. The incident occurred in 1917. Gandhi attended the annual convention of the Indian National Congress in 1916 in Lucknow. About 2,300 delegates and many visitors were present there. A poor, skinny peasant named Rajkumar Shukla from Champaran approached Gandhiji and requested him to accompany him to Champaran and solve the problems of the peasants there. The peasants of Champaran were sharecroppers. He had come to the congregation to complain about the injustice of the landlord system in Bihar, and some advised him to meet Gandhi. The peasants' resolve paid off. Gandhiji told Rajkumar Shukla that he had to visit Kanpur and some other places. Shukla patiently accompanied him everywhere. When Gandhi returned to his ashram in Ahmedabad, Shukla followed him. Finally, Gandhiji agreed to accompany him to Champaran after his Calcutta visit. The visit to Rajendra Prasad's house. Rajendra Prasad was a lawyer at Patna. He later became the president of the Congress party and thereafter of India. Shukla took Gandhiji to Rajendra Prasad's house in Patna but could not meet him as he was out of station. They were accompanied for different place, and for that night they stayed at his house. The servants at Prasad's house treated Gandhiji as an untouchable peasant and did not allow him to draw water from the well. Gandhiji's visit to Muzaffarpur. Gandhiji wanted to have more information about the conditions prevailing in Champaran before visiting there. He sent a telegram to Professor J.B. Kripalni stating that he wanted to meet him. Kripalni, as his students, received Gandhiji and Shukla at Muzaffarpur station. Gandhiji stayed at a government school teacher, Professor Malkani's house, which was unusual because it involved harboring a man who advocated home rule. In smaller localities, the Indians were afraid to show sympathy towards advocates of home rule for fear of a backlash from the British. Gandhiji, the Champaran champion of peasants. The peasants got to know that a Mahatma whose mission was to help them was in Muzaffarpur. So they came rushing to Muzaffarpur to meet Gandhiji, their champion. Gandhiji met the lawyers who briefed him about the situation. They told him about the fees they collected from the sharecroppers. Gandhiji criticized them for collecting high fees. Gandhiji's conclusion. Gandhiji's course of action was to stop going to the law courts. He said that the fear stricken peasants got little help from the courts, so the courts were useless. They needed to be free from fear. Farmers and indigo. The Champaran district was divided into large estates owned by the Englishmen. They compelled their Indian tenants to grow indigo on 15% of the land. The farmers were deprived of the indigo harvest, and the entire production of the indigo was to be given as rent. Now, I will discuss the rest part of the synopsis in the next module. Thank you.